What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the Monstera Adansonii. It's also known as the Swiss cheese plant, if you've seen that floating around online, but I get confused about what is technically the Swiss cheese plant because I've seen the Monstera deliciosa called that as well. Different plant. Different plant. So I don't know, but if you've heard of a Swiss cheese plant, then you might, it looks like Swiss cheese, so I'm guessing it's this one. Anyway, let's hop into it, shall we? My foot is asleep, yo. Oh my god. Oh, that's painful. I'm sorry. Oh my god. So anyway, this plant is extremely hard to find. Funny story, my boyfriend, oh my god, I just hit my face with a plant. My boyfriend went to a nursery by himself, which has never happened before. Like, I swear to you, it has never happened. He went by himself specifically to surprise me with a plant, and he stumbled upon this. He stumbled upon this. This is an incredibly rare plant. I have never seen it. He brought this one home and I just about lost my mind. I was like, what? How did you? What? If you can find one, snatch it immediately. Snatch it immediately. I think he got it in a 6-inch pot for like $14, which is, you know, pretty. It was at like a privately owned nursery, so I feel like that's the best place to go hunt for this plant. It's the ultimate hunting grounds. The care level for this guy is extremely, extremely easy. I would compare it to the pothos because it's just that simple. It just grows like freaking crazy, man. I mean, look at, like, that's a new leaf. You see that? See how weird that looks? It's like on one vine, but then it's growing off of another one. It's so weird. And then right here is like a little baby leaf that's gonna unfold soon. And it's just, it has like 10 new leaves coming in. I just can't even handle this right now. It evolved in the jungle, as you can probably tell, because most houseplants are from jungles. I can't like hold this still, I'm sorry. Calm down, Mackenzie. It evolved in Central America and I'm sure parts in the Amazon and such, so it evolved to have these holes so the rain could just rip through the leaves rather than just rotting it, you know? So that's a fun fact for you. So knowledgeable. So as far as lighting for this guy, I would recommend bright indirect light. Bright light can burn their leaves, and I've seen it myself. So avoid direct, like hot burning sun, because it won't do well in that. Since it grows in the jungle underneath a canopy, it likes the indirect bright light. So that's what's been making it explode at my house. So I definitely recommend bright indirect. I have tried to grow it. Talking is hard. I have tried to grow it several feet back from the window, but it just didn't grow. It just didn't grow. So that's why I would recommend putting it as close to the window as possible. And then as far as watering, I just wait until the soil is completely dry. I'll stick my finger in the soil, and if it's very dry, like bone dry, then I will water it. And with the soil, you want it to be very light and airy. You want the water to kind of rip through it pretty quickly. Because the roots, they don't like to be smothered by dense potting soil. It won't perform well in that kind of soil. So definitely mix it with potting soil, cactus mix, and orchid bark or perlite or something like that, just to kind of break up the soil a little bit, because that's what's been making it perform like a magical little unicorn monster. It's just been like amazing. And then as far as design and stuff, I have it in these little TJ Maxx pots that I got for really cheap. I think this pot or this basket was like $10 at TJ Maxx, so go hit it up. Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Ross, cutest pots. Well, sometimes some of them are whack, but some of them are really cute, and I definitely recommend checking those stores out. But sometimes their lines are like insane, and I'm like, okay, nothing is worth this like 45-minute wait. And there's always like screaming children everywhere too, so it's like you gotta go at a certain time. This Monstera, you can hang them and they look delicious hanging, but since I have all my pothos hanging, I thought I'd try this one on a trellis because its vines were getting so long, and I wanted to see how it would do being trained up this trellis. And in a week, it's destroyed this trellis. I mean, look at this. It's already outgrowing it. you know, and it's pushing new leaves out at the top right now as we speak. The trellis has been performing really, really well for me. Definitely you can try hanging as well, and it looks just as fantastic. For my trellis, I just ordered bamboo sticks on Amazon for like $7. You get like a pack of 30 of them that are like 2 or 3 feet long. I think these are 2-footers. Just super cheap, and all I did was I put them in 3 different places in the pot, and then you just tie them up at the top, as you can see right there. You just tie them up at the top, and then you tie the strongest vines to these trellis poles, and that's it. So you don't need some like crazy moss pole, because those are really like complicated, and you have to like go buy moss, and you have to go get like some kind of cloth to wrap it. Like, that's too complicated. So just get some bamboo sticks and tie them together, and it performs just as well. Like, it really doesn't need the moss stuff. I'm sure that'll help like promote roots to grow and stuff. If you have a moss pole, it'll help with that, but it's already so prolific that I don't feel like I need that. So that's it, guys. I hope that was helpful with the Monstera Adansonii. If you can find one, go and get her. Go get her right now. It's a rare plant, but if you can get it, like, yes. It's an amazing plant, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. I have so many plants and like so much knowledge, so please hit me up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!